Hello everyone. Today we are going to do this vitiligo patch. So she's going to get the two patches done. One is on the elbow and one is on the wrist area. So first we are going to start to do the elbow area. So we are making a progress on that. We are matching it up with the same and different colors. Yes. So it's matching it with the exact same skin tone. As you can see, it's up completely matched. There is no small bleeding also, and it is the only method of getting rid of the vitiligo, and it is completely pain free. So we highly recommend you to be all go ahead with this treatment, and it gives the much more better and the best output. So now we are processing on the hand one, and we are matching the exact skin tone. So this is the fast forwarded video, so it will be looks a little faster. And many of them thinks that it's going to give the gray color or the black color output, and it's going to give the much more muddy look and everything, but it's not. It's going to give the much more smoother look. As you can see in this, it's proceeding with the greater look. So you can see it's mingling and merging with the actual skin tone perfectly. We are making a huge process on the next level, and it's getting up completely. So this is the exact skin tone which we are bringing it. As you can see, it's mingled perfectly. Small reddishness is there, but it will all get reduced.